There was a time when I hated reading, growing up in a secondary school setting where they will force you to read and, just tell you, read your book, read your book. But we don't actually know what we're reading. We're just reading because we want to pass exam. But, after leaving school, and I discovered that one of the best education is self-education rather than the universal form of education, which is like going to school and stuff. Self-education is very important. So I bought this book. It's called Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. And he highlighted 24 great ways to stop procrastination and get more done in less time. Despite that I'm not done with the book, I'm not done with the book yet, but I'll say that I've completed the first 5 chapters of the book, and each of the chapters have an action point. I mean, something I need to do. And that's thing again that he said is that let me just quickly highlight one of them, which is eat the most ugliest frog. So if you have 2 frogs, so in this context, frogs are just basically hard task. So eating a frog is possibly the hardest thing you can do for the entire day. If you eat a frog in the morning, I mean, there is not that thing that is hard as eating a frog, live frog, literally. So if you eat the hardest frog, the hard task, what am I saying? So frogs in this context are hard tasks that we would most likely procrastinate. So if there are 2 frogs, eat the hardest frog. Sorry, eat the ugliest one. Sorry, eat the ugliest frog. All right. With that means that you should do the hardest thing, because if you start your day by doing something that is very hard, there's a very high potential that any other thing that comes throughout that day, you are most likely to smash them. But if you start the day with things that are kind of not so hard, some tasks that are kind of easy to do, you kind of feel this sense of relief, and just want to push out the hard one. So I'll be sharing more on this and this, and bye for now. Follow for more if you want to see more like this. Bye.